Hey YouTubers, JB Coins here with another video. This one is about the Great American Coin Hunt. What's that? Well, let us explain. During the week of April the 21st to the 27th, 2019, coin dealers around the country will be participating in this special event to try and put 1 million rare and collectible coins into circulation to help generate interest in coin collecting and to get people to check their change in their pockets. Now, some dealers will be giving a few hundred coins from their own inventory, but Rob Oberth, the former president of the ANA, is putting 25,000 of his own coins out. The average number per dealer around the country is about 2,000 coins each. So it's a significant amount from each dealer and 1 million altogether. It's going to be really cool. They're going to do this in many ways, such as some dealers will leave tips at restaurants, and of course they'll have to tell the servers that the coins are worth much more than the face value and why. Some will spend the coins at face value in places like shopping malls, airports, convenience stores, etc., just to get the coins out there. Some dealers had the idea to put hologram or holographic stickers on regular coins and put them into circulation with instructions how to claim a coin worth up to $100 at the dealer, with the coin being the dealer's choosing. So it, along with the U.S. Mint's efforts to get 2019 quarters with the special W or West Point Mint mark into circulation with regular circulating quarters, to also attract more people to collecting and particularly to coin roll hunting that we all love to do. People all over the country will be checking their change from now to at least the end of 2019 and maybe longer to try and find these treasures that could be right in their pockets or in bank boxes or changes from a purchase. So this should be a fun year for coin roll hunting and coin collectors everywhere. So like we always say, check your change. Don't forget to check your change. We hope you found this information in this video interesting and helpful. And if so, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. And until next time, J&B signing off.